Okay, do we want more music or do we want more bubbles?
More bubbles.
You want bubbles? There we go. All right, let's see. Let's put it over here now. Do you want more bubbles or more music?
More bubbles.
Okay, here we go.
More bubbles.
You want lots of bubbles. Ooh, ooh. Okay. All right. Do you want more bubbles or more music?
More bubbles.
Okay. There's the bubbles. All right, let's see. Do you want more music or more bubbles?
More bubbles.
Okay. There we go. Do you want more music or more bubbles?
More bubbles.
Okay. There's the bubbles. All right, do you want more bubbles or more music?
More bubbles.
Okay. There's the bubbles. Okay. Do you want more bubbles or more music?
More bubbles.
Alrighty. There's bubbles. Okay, let's see. Do you want more bubbles or more music? Oh, you want music this time? Here's music. Here's bub music. All right. Do you want more bubbles or more music? Whoops. Which one do you want? Music or bubbles? Oh, is the choice that upsetting? They're too far apart. There's bubbles. Here's music.
More bubbles.
Okay, well, we'll play them both. There we go.
More bubbles.
There's the bubbles. Okay. There's bubbles and music. Bubbles and music.
More bubbles.
Okay. There we go. Okay. Bubbles and music.
More bubbles.
All right, let's switch them up. Music and bubbles. Oh, you want music? Okay, you want music or bubbles? All right, here we go.
More bubbles.
You want bubbles? All right, here's the bubbles. Here's the music. Is that working?
More bubbles.
There we go. There we go. With a little help from Savannah. All right, bye-bye.